Elon Musk claims future Neuralink patients might gain robot-like superpowers. During a live stream on the platform formerly known as Twitter this week, Neuralink CEO Elon Musk hinted at the future of his company's brain implant system. He revealed that a second patient might undergo implant surgery in the coming weeks, building on insights gained from the first Neuralink patient who received implants earlier this year. As I mentioned, after watching this video, check it out on YouTube. You'll be amazed. To kick things off, let me know in the comments if you think brain implants will actually give us superpowers one day. And if that turns out to be true, would you consider getting one implanted in your head? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share the video. There's a little button right there. Click it to generate a shareable link. Share this in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups. As this channel grows, I can invest more time and bring you more videos. Thank you so much, and an even bigger thanks to those who are already doing this. Neuralink has sparked a lot of curiosity and controversy since its unveiling in 2019, including questions about the animal experiments conducted in the early stages of developing the device, which is designed to help paralyzed individuals regain some level of mobility. The Neuralink system involves inserting electrodes into the patient's brain tissue. These electrodes decode signals from the brain and translate them into commands for real-world devices. The first human patient, 29-year-old Nolan Albach, received his implant in January and quickly showed he could control a laptop using just his mind, kind of like Professor X from X-Men. Although this initial implant was only connected to a computer and not to other devices like an electric wheelchair or other hardware that could help Nolan interact with physical objects, was proof that the concept works. This even allowed Nolan to use his mind control abilities for entertainment purposes, like playing games. I saw him playing Mario Kart with his mind. In May, Neuralink announced during a live stream that they were looking for 3 new patients for the next trial, but they also mentioned that the second implantation was scheduled to happen in the next week or so. He also suggested that the company expects to implant the device in a high number of patients this year, indicating that Neuralink is speeding up its development. This is typical of Elon Musk's business practices, especially with the startup mentality. What is the startup mentality? Move fast and break things, as demonstrated by SpaceX, which launches experimental rockets and learns from failures. Musk also addressed the issues encountered with Nolan's brain implant. Some of the electrode wires inserted into his brain retracted after surgery, shifting away from critical brain areas where they need to be to capture the correct signals. Critics claim this problem had been known for years. Elon Musk confirmed that only about 15% of Nolan's wire data channels were functioning, but emphasized that the system adapted, allowing him to still control his computer. To prevent similar issues in the future, once again adopting the business approach of move fast, Elon Musk says new wires will be implanted deeper into the brain and will feature a new design with fewer electrodes per wire, but more wires overall. In other words, fewer electrodes per wire, but with more wires in total. Even the surgical procedure for implanting the device is changing, with a different skull sculpting technique to reduce the space under the implant and hopefully minimize wire retraction, according to CNBC. An excellent next experimental phase for a medical technology startup, Elon Musk also used the live stream to discuss the future of brain implant technology, adding some futuristic touches to the design. Looking ahead, Elon Musk envisions Neuralink being capable of controlling much more than just a laptop, stating that it will be possible to implant robotic limbs derived from Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus, giving more freedom to people who have lost body parts and even providing cyborg-like superpowers. Business Insider reported that Musk addressed some bizarre conspiracy theories about implant experiments, emphasizing that only volunteers have been involved in testing so far. He stated that if people want to use brain implants to address the concern of thinking they have a chip in their brain, then we'll be able to help with that. I keep thinking, because it's like this. One thing is using this implant for people with paralysis so they genuinely need it. But now if wealthy people come along and say, oh, I want, like the person isn't blind, but they want to add Zoom capability here. They want to put in a chip to access ChatGPT so they don't need to pick up their phone anymore. They think, and thinking is the same as me typing and asking ChatGPT, I think, and ChatGPT immediately responds in my head. So in theory, there's no paralysis, no problem, no disability, but I want to become a superhuman. Will it go down that path too? Comment below. It's bizarre and vaguely unsettling in my opinion, but for better or worse, that's typically how it goes. Elon Musk, with all these new developments about Neuralink, it's fascinating to think about the future of brain implant technology and how it can transform lives. Imagine a world where people with paralysis can regain mobility or control devices using just their minds. Despite initial challenges like issues with wire retraction, the rapid progress and innovation of Musk's implant make us believe we're on the brink of a medical revolution. We'd love to hear your thoughts. How far do you think this technology can go? Do you think we're ready for this new era? Share your opinions in the comments section below and let's discuss this together. If you found this news interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.